Whenever we start to read the Quran, we start with A'udhu Billah, as it says in the Quran. Alif ta and the ma waw sakin u zal the mazu u ba kasra lam sakin bil lam pata la billah ha kasra hi billahi mim kasra mi noon fatta sheen sakin nash sheen fatta ya sakin shay minash shay ta fatta alif ta noon kasra ni minash shaytani noon kasra ra sakin nir ra fatta ra nirra jim kasra ya sakin jim mim kasra mi nirra jimi. Remove the kasra, put a sukoon on the mim because stopping here, so it becomes nirra jim. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. Then if you're starting to read a surah, then normally it has a Bismillah written on it, so you have to read it. Ba kasra sin sakin bis mim kasra lam sakin mil lam fatta la Bismillah ha kasra ra sakin hir ra fatta ha sakin rah mim fatta ma noon kasra ni hir rahmani Bismillah hir rahmani noon kasra ra sakin nir ra fatta ra nirra ha kasra ya sakin hi mim kasra mi himi nirrahimi. Remove the kasra, put a sukoon on it. Nirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you can see, it's written in English as well. So if you have any difficulty, you can refer to that. Otherwise, alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra. Za, sin, shin, صاد ضاد طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ها همزة يا. This is Qaida Nooraniyah. So you have in Arabic rather than in English written here next to it, or Urdu as well. So we got alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, dhal, ra, dha, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد. طا ظا عين غين فا قاف كاف لام ميم نون واو ha hamza ya, and also this letter here ya.